Okay, so we have the first part done where we create the template file. The next part is registering it with hook theme. So let's see how the feed icon is registered. So I'm actually going to search across all of the files for feed icon. I'm going to omit the extension because I'm thinking that sometimes that extension is added in later. It's not necessarily part of the registration process for different components in Drupal. So we'll just do feed icon and I'll do a search for that. Okay, so we have this funky name here. Let's go ahead and skip over those for now. Twig actually does some compiling. So even though it looks like we're dealing with files in the file system, template files, they actually get compiled in a way that makes it very performant for PHP, which was one of the arguments in Drupal 7 for using theme functions instead of template files. Okay, I'm going to scroll down here. So we have sort of this odd reference in another Twig file. I'm going to keep going. We have our style.css. We have theme.inc, and this item here looks promising, so I'm going to check that out. Okay, so this is in Drupal common _ theme. So I'm thinking this is an implementation of hook theme, or it's at least structured in a similar way. And so we have feed icon, so this must be the name of our template. And then we have a set of variables and the template that's referenced. Okay, so this looks like what we need. Now, I kind of want to cross-reference this against other hook theme functions because this is a little unique. So I'm going to do a search for hook theme across the code base. And let's see here, we have implements hook theme under aggregator theme. And so this returns an array, and the structure actually looks the same as what we see here. We have file here, but template and variables are the same. So I'm going to copy this part right here from the aggregator.module file. And I'm going to open up our .module file for our Trails module. And I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and paste this in, wrap up this array here, and end the function with the curly brace. And then let's go back to theme.inc. And I'm just going to copy this feed icon here and paste it inside of this array. Okay, so we're going to need to change a couple of things here. I'm going to change the unique identifier, and we'll call this Trails List. And the template, instead of feed icon, is going to be Trails-list. This, I'm assuming, is aligned with the name of the template file, so that's trailslist.html.twig. And for now, we'll leave the variables as is, and we'll come in here and edit that later. So I'll save this.